Hey everyone, I'm back. I wanted to share some stamps that I got in my ambassador package. Let's see, might have been yesterday, I think. So I don't know if these are posted up yet or available for sale, but I will put a link in my description box to the website for Adornit. So if you're interested in getting these, you can at least see what's available. And if they're not yet, just wait a little bit and they should pop up at some point. But this is the recipe stamp, and I don't even know which month we're in. I think it might be March, because I do have what I believe is April, even though we're already in the month of April. So things have been running a little bit late. So this is a People Puppy Chow recipe. I hope you can see that. So it is food for humans, but it's a puppy themed recipe. It looks really good. I'm not a peanut butter fan. 1 cup of peanut butter goes into this. So, yeah. Needless to say, I won't be making this for myself. But yeah, it's really cute. It's got little dog bone, a little puppy print there, or dog print. I know Dianna recently, not too recent, but she did get a new dog, and looks a lot like this. So there you go. We get inspired by lots of different things, and happily she's got a new friend. I think this might be the add-on stamp. I'm not sure. Again, this one's got lots of little dogs in it. So hopefully you can see all that. And then we have the 6x8 stamp set here. Again, lots of little dogs. Cute for those of us who have friends that have dogs or have dogs ourselves. I'm sorry, I'm not showing this very well, probably because I'm not looking through the camera. You can see you've got the girl and the boy dog, and then you've got some little images of dogs here, and then you got some sentiments and another paw print there. That's cute. And then the last one is this, I think it's a 4x4. Let me see. Yeah, it's a little less than 4 inches. So this would be nice for a little note card or a tag. Really cute. For a birthday. And that is the puppy related ones. Now, I do have also the next set, which I will share with you all because I know we're going to be doing a special event. So let me show you what I have. There's actually 2 other sets of stamps, and these were actually provided to us digitally because they are running behind, so that we could create with them. So the first stamp set is this one right here. This is a Pigs in a Blanket set, and you can see here there's a recipe here with the little piggies at the top. And then you've got this little fence. And I started to color this because I have printed this on my color printer. If you're interested in what I use, there's a video on it. And I'll see if I can't link it. But I have a way of printing either to watercolor paper or for alcohol ink, and this is going to be alcohol ink colored, which is what I use down here if you see the green, just to make sure that it's color fast. So basically when I'm coloring it doesn't smudge, so that it did use the right setting. So there's this stamp set here. Okay, so this is a recipe stamp. There is another recipe stamp for baked bean chops. Okay, really cute. Now, if you guys have been following me, you know this fits with the theme of my junk journal, because the main character is a pig. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this in my junk journal when I make my projects. So you'll be seeing those hopefully shortly from this video. So here's another recipe stamp. And the last stamp I'm able to show you is this one right here. So you got 2 pigs, Mr. and Mrs., and then you've got some veggies here. So yeah, you've got like, I guess this is a radish. I don't know. I don't know if that's meant to be a fruit or not, but there you go. And then corn cob. So really cute images. Like I said, there's 2 more stamps in the set. I can't share those with you at this point. First of all, I didn't print them out because I can't open them. So maybe if you check one of the ambassador channels, you will be able to see the other 2 sets. But these are the 3 sets that I can share with you right now. And hopefully you'll be seeing some projects pretty soon using these images. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.